Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2005 for 2 marks. Basically, this question is based on radiation. Again, in radiation, we have to find view factor, that is safe factor. Let us understand the question. The question is a solid cylinder, surface 2. Now, here cylinder is surface 2, right? Cylinder is surface 2. Now, the solid cylinder surface 2 is located at the center of hollow sphere surface 1. Now, here they have provided one hollow sphere. Let us say you have hollow sphere like this. Let us say this is a sphere, right? And sphere is given surface 1. This is a sphere which is surface 1, right? Therefore, inside surface will be surface 1. And inside this, there is a solid cylinder. Therefore, let us say cylinder is like this. Cylinder is like this, right? And this is surface 2. Cylinder is surface 2. Then the diameter of sphere is 1 meter. Now, for this sphere, that is d1 is given. Sphere is 1, therefore d1 is equal to 1 meter. While the cylinder has diameter and length of 0.5 meter each. Now, here the diameter of cylinder is nothing but d2 and length of cylinder is L. Therefore, here the length as well as diameter d2 is given 0.5 meter each, right? Then the radiation configuration factor F11 is, configuration factor is also view factor, it is also called safe factor. Now this F11 we have to find, means radiation emitted and falling back on 1. The radiation emitted by 1 again falling back on 1. That is, it is given by fraction F11, right? This view factor we have to find, right? So my dear students, let us find this view factor. Here options are given. Now here can I say the inside surface of the sphere and the outside surface of the cylinder are in contact to exchange heat by radiation, right? Now here for this cylinder, can I say the view factor of cylinder with respect to itself is 0, right? Therefore, because it is an inside surface, therefore here we can say F22 view factor of cylinder with respect to cylinder is 0. Now as per addition rule, the summation of all safe factors, that is F221 plus F222 is always equal to 1. And as F222 is 0, therefore F221, that is the view factor of 2 with respect to 1 is equal to 1, right? This will be equal to 1, right? Now again, my dear students, we have reciprocal theorem. As per reciprocal theorem, we can say area 1 into F1 to 2 is equal to area 2 into F2 to 1, right? This is called reciprocal theorem. Now here area 1, now area 1 is a spherical. Now here the surface area of sphere we have to consider for area 1. Therefore we can say area 1 is 4 pi r1 square. 4 pi r square is the area of sphere, right? Into, now F1 to 2 is unknown. F1 to 2 is unknown, is equal to, now area 2. Now my dear students, area 2 is a cylinder area. Now let us concentrate here. Here maximum students will do mistake. Now which area of cylinder is in contact with sphere for the radiation heat transfer? Can I say from this area, from this circumferential area, that is, I will say the surface area, from this surface area as well as from this cross-sectional area as well as from this cross-sectional area on another side, there is a heat transfer. Therefore the area available for the heat transfer is, there are two cross-sectional areas, that is pi by 4 d square, and there is one circumferential area, that is pi dl. Therefore area 2 will be here pi d2l, this is the surface area, plus pi by 4 yes d square. This is a cross section area, but two cross sections are available. One is from left side, other is from right side, into 2. We have to do here into 2. This is the area available into F2 to 1 is 1, right? Now concentrate this. This is very important. Here area 1, I can say 4 pi r1 square, but area 2 is pi d2l. This is the surface area of cylinder, plus pi by 4 d square d2 square is a cross section area of cylinder, but there are two cross sections available for the heat exchange. This will be the area 2, right? So let us put the values here. Now my dear students, 4 pi r1 square, 4 r1 square is nothing but d1 square. Therefore it will become pi will get cancelled from the both side. It will become d1 square into f1 to 2 is equal to, now here again l is equal to d2. L is nothing but d2. Therefore it will become d2 square in bracket d2 square plus, now here 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Therefore it is d2 square. My dear students, here it is d2 square. Therefore d2 square divided by 2. Right. Now let us put the values. Therefore f1 to 2 is equal to d2 square plus d2 square divided by 2 whole divided by d1 square. Now my dear students, here we have values of d1 and d2. d1 is here 1, you can say the d1 is 1 meter and d2 is 0.5 meter. So my dear students, you will get here f1 to 2 which is equal to d2 is 0.5 square plus 0.5 square divided by 2 complete divided by 1 square. Right. So let us simplify this ef1 to 2. So my dear students, I think I will get this ef1 to 2. View factor of 1 with respect to 2 is equal to 0.375. But here question is not this. Question is to find f11. Now f11 plus f1 to 2, addition rule of safe factor. The summation of safe factor with respect to any body is always equal to 1. Right. Therefore we can say ef11 is equal to 1 minus ef1 to 2 is 0.375. Right. So let us solve this answer, my dear students. Then you will get ef11 which is equal to 0.625. Now look at the option. You will find that option B will be the correct choice for this question. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on this topic, which was asked in previous year GATE examination.